girls, today I want to make a review on this. I received the Pueen Celebration Collection firework plate. I received it in this bubble plastic bag, and I want to show it to you. It came in this hard backing, and you open it. And you get this huge plate, and I'm going to take off the blue film that it came with to protect any scratches. And it's really easy to peel off. This plate is really big. Look, comparing to my hand, it's almost 2 hands, and it's beautiful. It has a lot of designs. You have flowers, geometric patterns. I hope you can appreciate it well. More flowers in here. I really like this plate. You have a lot of designs to choose from. Here you have some stars, more flowers, beautiful patterns. Here you have a star, and each part of the stars have different designs, so I like it a lot. And the backing is really hard. I paid for this $18.99, and I think it's a great deal because you have a big plate with a lot of designs, and I'm going to be testing this for you. For that I will be using my Creative stamper and scraper and my Mundo de Uñas black polish. So let's begin. I'm gonna start try this design here. And it picks up beautiful. I love this brand. Pueen has phenomenal, I love their sets, and I think the price is really good because you always get a lot for the price. My favorite from this brand is the Encore set, but look at this. As I said, all this brand is fantastic, and it came out really beautiful. Look at this. It's awesome. I really like it. Let's try the star over here. Look at this, it's gorgeous. These designs are really pretty, and for those girls who like to have their nails long, these patterns are awesome because you can pick up any design you like, and you always fit your nail. Look at this. It's beautiful. I like it a lot. Let's try these flowers over here. I highly recommend this brand and this stamping plate. It's really pretty. Look at this. I love these flowers. Let's try this one over here that has fine lines to see how well it picks up. Look at this. It's awesome. I really like it. Let's move on to here that has both images, and let's see how well it picks up. And no problems at all. Here you have the design. Let's try these flowers over here that are really pretty. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And look at this, awesome. It really picks up beautifully. And let's try here these geometric designs. And they are beautiful. It really picks up nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to try this corner over here to see if we have any problems. Sometimes the corners are a little tricky. So let's see if we have any problem. And no problem at all. Really nice. Here you have the design. And finally I'm going to try this over here. It's a couple of boyfriends having a dance. And look how nice they are. Really pretty. I love them. It's so beautiful displayed. I absolutely love it. And finally I'm going to try these over here. And here you have the design. It came out really pretty. And this is a review of this firework plate collection from Pueen. I hope you like this video. I will link in the description bar where you can purchase this. And I hope you like this video. I will appreciate any comments or suggestions. And I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.